Hi guys, I'm here to share some happy mail, but first I need to apologize to Gracie21 and Daniela Hayes. Both of these ladies had sent me happy mail last month, and I took a video after I received the boxes, and I accidentally deleted the video. I feel so bad, you guys. Please, please, please forgive me. Yeah, I don't know what else to say other than your gifts did not go unnoticed, and I really appreciate them. And I wish I had not put everything away, but I had put everything away, and I have no idea at this moment in this hot mess where it's at. So, but thank you, ladies, so much. I love you to bits. You know that. Okay, so this happy meal is from Tina, who is the Crafty Bean here on YouTube. She sent this last month as well. Tina knew that I was looking for this paper, but she sent me this gorgeous card. I love this card, Tina. It's so sweet. It really is. It's just simple, but it's so sweet. I really love this font and this flower. It's just so pretty, little bling, and I love polka dots. So and then she just wrote me a little personal message letting me know that she's got me in her prayers for healing, and thank you, Tina. That means more to me than you'll ever know. Just the fact that you think of me is very precious to me, and you know I think the world of you. So thank you again, my friend. She sent me 2 of the 49th and Market Sweet Reflections paper pads. She knew that I was looking for this paper. I was not expecting to, but this gives me a chance to create some beautiful things, and in fact I'm going to be working with one of these later today. So thank you so much, Tina. You are just too sweet. Okay, so the next one comes from my girlfriend Tina, who is Top Cropper here on YouTube. And I had sent Tina a message saying that I was looking for something in particular. I was dying to get my hands on it. She sent this little card. I love you too, Tina. I really do. And she sent me this, you guys. I was looking for this die so bad. I wanted this. The mason jar, the snowflakes, the kitty. I mean, everything about this die. I love it. And she found it for me, and I am so, so, so grateful. Thank you so much, Tina. Big hugs, girl. Tina is, Top Crapper is one of my best friends, and I love her to bits. And she's always thinking about me. Thank you, Tina. And the next happy mail comes from Ty, who is Ty's Crafty Spot here. And the ladies' links will all be in the description, so you can check them out. They are all amazing, sweet, talented crafters that I just absolutely adore. I have met so many wonderful friends here on YouTube, and I'm just, you know, with the whole nightmare that we're all just dealing with, I'm just going to keep plugging on, doing what I can until they tell me I can't. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so the next one's from Ty. She knew that I was looking for one of these tonic word dies for Halloween, and she found me the Happy Hunting, and I am so excited. I will be using this like mad next year. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. She also sent me the squid ink, and she got me the gold and the silver. I am so excited. I wanted these so bad, and I kept looking and looking and looking and never found any. I came across 3 ink pads the other day, and they were colors that I wouldn't use. But these are definitely colors that I will use. Thank you so much, Ty. You are awesome. And she knew I wanted these leaves. Now, Daniela had sent me some of these as well, so now, and I've been using them. but sparingly. So now I don't have to. I know that I have a backup, which is always a good thing. So thank you so much, Ty. She also sent me the Sweet Reflections paper. Yes, I love this paper, and it's not going to go to waste. I can make lots of projects with this paper, so I am set on the Sweet Reflections for sure. She also found me OMG, the Jingle Collection by Authentique. I had found the 12 by 12 kit, but I had not found the 6 by 6, and I'm so, so, so happy to have this. Look at this. It's so cute. Now, see, to me, that's Santa. That's what I remember Santa looking like when I was a little girl. So these are typical images from when I was a little girl. This is what I think of. So that's why I love this collection, because it just kind of reminds me of my childhood and going down to, I think it was the 12th of December. We went down to Woolworths and we looked at the display in the window, which always had, dolls and trucks and, well, kind of like what you see in the movie The Christmas Story. You go down to the window and they had this big huge display of trains and trucks and things that moved and new dollies and whatever was the new toy they had in the window display. And we go down there and I just ooh and ah, and we go to Montgomery Ward's and it was kind of the same thing. They'd have all the trees decorated and they'd have all the new stuff underneath the trees for the kids to go, they had to have. And then we'd watch the Christmas parade, which was always at night. After it turned dark, they'd do the Christmas parade, and it was just, it was so much fun, and we get to see Santa for the first time. So that was a big deal, And then she sent these metal tags that say handmade, which is really cool because I can certainly use these in my work. I love things like this. So thank you so much, Ty. And then, you guys, she got me the 8x8 49th and Market Cottage Life. I love this. This is so pretty. And it'll be great for some spring projects. I've got a few things in mind already that I want to make. That's just so pretty. I just love the distressed look of this paper. It's very vintage. It's very distressed looking to me, and that's really my style if I had to pick one. Although I can do pretty much anything except for that chunky dunky hoblob that Alicia Wagman 510 talks about. I don't think I could do that yet, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to try. It just means I haven't accomplished it yet where I'm happy with it. So, but yeah. So vintage is more my style. But, yeah, this is going to be so much fun. Tina, Top Cropper and Tina Crafty Bean, thank you, ladies, so much for thinking of me, for keeping me in your prayers, for checking on me. Everybody has been, message me or text me and checking up on me and see how I'm doing, especially if I'm quiet for a couple days. Excuse me, guys. Weather change is making me all froggy. But I so appreciate everybody checking in. A lot of people are just leaving messages on my YouTube, which is fine too. We got some good news a couple of days ago. The machine is finally in processing. So, and if you don't know what machine I'm talking about the light therapy machine for my skin, which is why my hands are covered. Autoimmune sucks. But anyway, so the machine is on its way finally, and in process. So it should be shipping later this week, and because this is Sunday, and so I'm looking forward to starting that. There are some risks involved with it, but it's got to be better than this. So, just saying. And before I let you go, I forgot one thing that I got at the thrift store, and I'm going to show you guys. I got these. These actually came from, it looks like they came from either Tuesday Morning or TJ Maxx or Ross or one of those places, but they were at the thrift store, and you guys, these were only $2, and the original price on them was $4.99. So, and they're glass, they're hand blown glass, you know, like wine glass charms, so you know which one's yours. So I thought those were super cute, and I'm going to hang these on my little tree that I got, that I showed you guys. I think it'll be super cute. It'll just be adorable. I have a couple little trees, and I'm going to hang these on one of my little trees, maybe the one in the kitchen. So I just got those, and I just thought they were so cute. So I love hand blown glass, and my daughter's actually just started doing some glass blowing. I absolutely love it. I think it's so awesome that she finally found something that she really loves to do that's creative. I always knew she'd do something like that. So anyway, you guys, that is my crafty love and my little tiny thrift store haul. Thank you so much for watching. Make a happy memory, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.